Welcome back to another soggy episode of Nacho Stuff. I have been driving around just burning up gas because it's so cheap, you know. Gas is just only up to $4.39 a gallon, up another 20 cents since Monday. And I picked up this in this VCR. It was pouring pretty good. I don't want to mess my camera up. We're getting a bread maker, maybe? Oh no, it's an ice maker. An ice maker and a clock. That's it. And we've run like, I don't know, 75% of the front half of this community, which would normally yield like, I don't know, 10 stops. So it did help that it rained last night again, and it rained some this morning, and it's still raining now. And what can you do though? All you can do is run the route and cross your fingers. I don't think the rain's gonna help me though. So we're gonna plug along today. This could be the shortest video ever, but we'll see what the streets offer and we'll be happy about it. Onward! All right, there's no garbage out here, so we're gonna check the dumpsters. We do anyways, don't we? It's a wood door. We'll take these though. I thought that box was gonna be a metal box, but it's just old plywood. That pole's gonna come because it's gonna be aluminum in them. Oh gosh, this is on a tilt here. I don't see many youngins down there. All right, we'll take this pole. We'll call it the day. Well, not the day. We'll call it the stop. It's a long pole. As long as a trailer. One more peek. Why is there not more in here? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be one of them days, isn't it? Oh, I also forgot. New fan tally. Boop. What? That's lower than the number was yesterday. Yeah, it was brought to my attention that I did 9, 10, and then I jumped to 12, so I skipped 11. But that's what happens when you get past my fingers. I only have 10 fingers, and then it's a crapshoot. It could be, it's math, you know? So I skipped 11. So we're going back down to the proper number of fans for the month. So you got a lot of work to do if we're gonna get to this big numbers, but that's what it is right now. Sorry for the mistake. This guy must be running the porta potty route. He was just at the last stop too. Got a little bit of water. Where are all? Ooh, there's a fan box. Some more wire snippets. Come on, give me a big wire score. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Why is that so difficult? Why? Oh, here's another fan box too. Got the wires in here. Nope. Ooh, I'll take that though. Look at all these fan boxes. Where are the fans? It's mad, it's a new house. They're not gonna have the old fans. I know. I know. No wire snippets or nothing. Ay, 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 ay. Hoo-yah. Light bar. Ooh, big old piece of granite. Oh, I'm gonna take those. I found these last week too. I don't know what these connectors are for. Found a whole box of these in the dumpster last week. Need to get something to put that in now. That box is trashed. Let's see what I got here. Oh, we'll use that right there. Oosh. Glad we brought the walls. I don't know what these are. We found a bunch of these last week too. They're like sockets of some sort. Ooh, nice and moist. Yummy. It's the good stuff. Look, there's one more. Oh, there's more down there. Why are there so many of these? Why are they in different spots? Ugh. Ah, you splashed myself with water. Yuck. That's payback for getting that guy at the yard the other day. These are just too little to go after all those. All right. Oop, missed one. It's something. We scrounging onward. Got another of these fancy carts. I'm gonna keep this one. Look at that thing. You guys are like, you can get more money than scrap for that. I know you can. This one's nice. Goes on here. Little sorting baskets. This thing's in great shape too. I mean, I don't like this top very much. I think it's supposed to be for like an ironing board too, though. That's nice. We're gonna put you up towards the front and try not to get you any more ruined. Look at that. That's a nice car right there. You slide back a little bit. Oh, that dang pole's gonna mess me up. Got nothing in here. Still struggling. What? You go right here. So you can roll around vicariously. Onward. Hoping these dumpsters can save me today, man, because there's everything squat out here. This one does not look promising. No, 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 no. Nada. A lot of plastic and corrosive stuff. No dice. Still following my guy. Am I following him or is he following me? Not so good. Finally, some scrap. I'm gonna put it on top of my walls just for good luck, right? Scoosh. Tidal wave. It's from 07. Ooh, look how juicy that one is. Onward. Not much, but we'll take it. Look at that. I was like, oh, there's nothing really over there, but there's a battery. That's a $5 bill right there. $10 if you take it to, what's it called? O'Reilly. But I prefer the cash right now. Look at that, I got myself a wind sail trying to take off here. I should probably turn that around to prevent that from happening. That's all I need to do is have that catch wind and blow out the back. That would not be cool. There we go. Onward. I thought for sure this was wood. I think it might be metal. Did I get tricked? Did I get tricked? It's his wood. Stinker. Why? Why? Our first pile of really anything today. Holy Toledo. What a day. We burned up some good gas though, man. We done burn up some good gas. Purse with all kinds of money. It's gonna have $100 bills in it. What brand we got here? DKNY, and it's in rough shape. Ooh, these were Beat headphones that aren't there. Some boppers. We got a foot thingamabobber that's plastic without the power cord. Oh. $50 ounce. How is that 50 ounces? Oh, almost a pound. I wonder what was in there. This thing don't weigh a pound. Ah. Dun, 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 dun. We are scrapping today. Oh my gosh. These, oh, this is garbage. We might have to take a gander over here. We might have to take a gander at some of these bags. That's PVC. We'll take these pans. Silver looking platters songs. Come on, where's the metal at? Where's the metal? Come on, give me a peeking hole. Huh? That's plastic. These all feel quite foody. Ooh, there's shoes. Look at all these shoes in here. Holy macaroni. That's a whole lot of shoes. Anybody know anything about shoes? I don't. Anne Klein. I think those are nice shoes. Nope, they're from TJ Maxx. Probably not. Bags and bags of shoes. I don't want shoes. I'm looking for the metal. Oh, that one might have metal in it. Yep, it does. It has some cans in this one little cord. Ooh, and a stethoscope. Ooh. Fender. Rock Band. I wonder if that works. It doesn't look like it works. That's what I heard, the metal right there. Shink. You get back in there. Man, we're scrounging. Oh, that's those songs again. Nope, that's not metally. Come on, guys. If this works, that could be the good find. Man, look at this. Ridiculous. I think I started with more in the trailer than I found. Oh boy, onward! Could we actually have something here? Tell me there's instruments in here. Tell me. Looks like they've already been opened though. There was a guitar there. There was a golf bag there. Dag nabbit. Nothing, and nothing. Stick a fork in me, man. We are done. We're done for. Oh, I don't even know if we covered gas today. Gotta look, man. We don't see much out here today, so we're going to stop and look. These are more car lights, man. Why are there so many car lights? Oh, plastic car lights. Come on, there good car parts in here? Or just another car light? Oh, come on. I think it's just another car light, that's what I think. Come on. Come on. Another car light. Dag nabbit. Mama said there'd be days like that. Mama said there'd be days like that. Last stop, and we'll actually finally have something. I passed this earlier because it's a brand new carpet. There's an insulation. I don't know. We're taking it. It's for a car. 3-in-1 insulation, heat, shield, and sound. It's new though. We'll take her. I passed this earlier. It was raining and there was 2 lawn guys in here, so I said I'll just come back. I thought this was, I was actually looking at this, wondering if that was metal or not, but I didn't even see this. Look at it. Fan of a fan, smash that thumbs up. I gotta look at that closer. It might have it. So this is going to be fan 14. We're back to 14, folks. Nah, that's all plastic. That's pretty heavy duty though, huh? And a random chair. Look at the size of the base of this thing. Wow. Oh. It's something. Nothing right home though, but it's something. Let's go. Looky, Americanos. We don't normally run this street because this one you can't go out this way. You have to, you can't turn left. That's the way I go. So I normally skip the street, but as dismal as today's been, I said I'm going to go down that street just to see if there's anything down there. We're going to get ourselves a aluminum door. Let's put you under the fence. Look at the fence, it's nice and heavy. It'll keep you from going anyplace. Come on, get in there. There we go. So, that'll make up for a slow day. A nice additional piece of aluminum. Dirty as it may be. Whew. Struggle is real. Don't even have stuff. I can't even get stuff in the trailer. Hopefully we're not doing a walk of shame here. Because I slow rolled this. Didn't think there was anything, but then I saw a metal pole. No walk of shame for me. Sweet. Sweet. So this one street that I don't normally run has produced more than all the other streets combined. Go figure. I told you the rain would scare people. None of this was here this morning. So this has all been put out since I ran it. It's like in the last couple hours. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. We'll take it. We'll gladly take it. Do we get our second battery? Oh no, it's a pushy. Someone would buy that though, wouldn't they? I don't know. I think that's a resellable item. What do you think? No, Matt, you're crazy. I know I'm crazy. But what do you think? Should we take it? Nothing there. We got anything else in here? Ooh. We douche, we douche. I think I'm taking it. That's kind of cool. I like it. I think I can sell that. I think that's worth at least 10 bucks, right? 20 bucks, 100 bucks, $700. I don't know.
Jump right here. Jump right here. I'll get out of the way.
This is ridiculous. What? No, you're good. I'm insured. Oh man, this is ridiculous. Watch yourself. Gosh. That's coming. That's coming. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. That goes. You really should have a lifeguard out here. Come on. Okay. We're keeping this mama jamma. Ouch. Pitch-o-matic 500. All right. Slide you up. So I couldn't figure out how to get to this yesterday. I need a screwdriver, I think. No. No worries. I got someone the other day. It's just payback. Why does this thing come out? Oh, it's got those screws in there. All right, yet another day. Gonna keep that stupid thing. Ooh, come on. All right, the rest of us coming. How do we get the gate up? Come on, dishwasher. That's how we get the gate up. Oh, I just got that all over me. Not cool. Oh, gosh. Come on. You can do it. All right. Oosh. All right. Jump to dry land. Oh. Oh, what a mess. See ya, Jeff's. On to your fan favorite. Not there is Jeff. Driving away with the bin. Man, it's wet over here too. Sheesh. I'm probably gonna fast forward a little bit of this. Depending on how far, oh, he's gonna stay close. Ugh. Ugh. Now what were these two? Oh, these go to that. Right? Yeah, right there. It's more what Jeff's calling extruded, so these are gonna go up there. What's up? Oh shoot. What? Ah, come on! Jeez. You're killing me, Smiles. You emptied it because you knew I was coming, right?
I dumped that. I want to dump all the rims.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you can use that to scrap.
What?
You can use that to scrap.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, this is my gas saver. I'm gonna start scrapping out of this. Maybe you can push me around.
Or battery? I don't think you've ever brought one.
What?
Battery.
I brought a battery. I brought those huge ones the other day. I don't find them often. That's it. Why you gotta be so practical? Yeah, they did. Must have had a deep end, right?
My girlfriend's is 8 feet deep.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You don't need a pole. You still don't need that big of a pole.
Hey, or it would have been like, or it could have been one of the ones that like apartment complex.
Yeah, that's true.
What the fuck are you doing with this?
There's extrusion, remember?
Yeah.
Dude, you're losing my extrusion. Where do you want her?
That next one.
That one?
Yeah.
No, those are my those are my walls for now. Till somebody takes care of me. What are those? Do you know?
That's probably for a light bulb or something, right?
It screws into a light bulb, and I think you can like wire up something.
Yeah.
I don't know. I found them in the dumpster. You guys don't take these, right? Jeff? You don't take these, right? You do? Here? What do you think that is?
Steel, huh?
No, this is steel, I think.
Here, if you put that in your ears, I'll put that on my.
I hear nothing, right? We good?
Yeah,
That's it. Yeah, it was light out there today. I don't know if you can see that bird or not, but he's beautiful. It's I don't know what kind of bird it is. Look at him. He's blue. Maybe he's got like a orange. Oh, he lives in that little hole right there. What kind of bird is that? If anybody knows, I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully someone can tell me. He's in there feeding babies, I bet. It's gorgeous. Alrighty, so we're checked out. And that bird's still sitting over there. That's one cool bird. Anywho's, I'm shocked. We actually did better than I thought today. All the other riffraff stuff and that gate that we cleaned up made a huge difference. So tin, just 260 pounds today. Still 7.5 cents, $19.50. The battery, $5. Light irony, so that was those pans, the pieces that I cut off to make that one piece extrusion, and the door, 16 pounds, 30 cents a pound, $4.80. Oh no, clean aluminum he gave me clean aluminum on those pans, 2 pounds, 50 cents a pound for $1. So those pans were $1. Got $1 back on those pans. Extrusion, 40 pounds that gate weighed, 75 cents a pound, $30 for that one section of fence. Yes! So, because of that fence, we ended up with 60-30. So, about halfway home, but man, if you looked at the trailer, you would have said, man, you don't got a squat in there, and I don't have much in there. But that tells me that those two walls are worth, because those walls don't have the brackets on it, those walls are worth 30 bucks a piece. That's pretty awesome. So once Jeff gets my walls up, I got 60 bucks in the trailer already. Score! So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. It's going to be a wonky day. It's going to be a shorter video than we're used to, but yeah, what are you going to do? The rain killed us. You know, we had rain yesterday and rain today, so people weren't putting stuff out. It is what it is. But we had fun trying to find something today, although we did get pretty wet. The yard is a disaster area. I hope that they can get some of that water out of there, because other than that, I'm going to have to get myself some duck boots or some waders or something. It's ridiculous. So make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And it's Nacho Stuff, but that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's cash and turn it into trash. I'm sorry, it's the other way around, isn't it? Alrighty, guys. Be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.